Okay guys, first of all, I'd like to say sorry that I haven't posted in a couple of weeks, but I haven't been feeling too well, so I decided to take some time off to get myself feeling better. And I decided to come to work today, and I came across this piece of footage. And in the footage, there is at least 20 of these objects that seem to be leaving this volcano. So guys, let's have a look at the footage. And by the way, it comes with no audio, and then we'll have a real quick chat afterwards. So here's what I know about this footage. This was captured on August the 24th, 2023. And in the footage, we can see these objects, up to 20 of these UFOs that seem to be either coming out of the volcano or coming from the side of the volcano. Now, when we look at the footage, it's easy to turn around and say, you know, this could be Starlink, but it's not. And my reason for saying this isn't Starlink is because when you look at Starlink and how they're set up or how they operate, they move in a near perfect straight line. This is why they call it the train in the sky. But these objects, they're not in a near perfect straight line. They're not even in a straight line. They're just flying in the same direction, but in a different alignment. Now guys, given the activity that has been going around for centuries around volcanoes, could this be more proof that there is some sort of super UFO highway that's using these volcanoes to enter and exit from different parts of the world? What do you guys think? And what do you guys think this could be? So until next time, stay blessed and keep safe.